welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about 15 very fun, weird, random, interesting, unknown facts about me. So as you all know, I'm just 3 videos old here on YouTube, whereas I do tend to post videos, stories and pictures on my Instagram. So audience on my Instagram do know me a little better than the audience here on YouTube. But if you already know me from school, college, or we have been acquaintances, or we do tend to talk a lot on a day to day basis, then you might already know about some of these facts. Do let me know in the comments how many of these you got correct and you already knew. And let's see. So if you like this video, you already know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's start. Fact number 1 is that I love eating khatta. Like everybody has their own preferences, different people like different things. I love eating khatta for some reason. Some people like eating spicy food, some people have a sweet tooth. I love eating khatta for some reason. Like I can literally squeeze one lemon and drink that whole lime juice. I can squeeze the whole lemon in my mouth without even changing my expression. I love achar, I love raw mango, salsa sauce, and I love everything khatta. Fact number 2 is that I almost got arrested. Yes. So I was in the third year of my college and there was some scenario happening and then the police was passing by and they saw something fishy. So they stopped and they witnessed the situation and they were literally intrigued to like take us to the thane and get the whole like thing done like how it is in a proper way. So like I'm not gonna give like the whole situation out there because of various reasons. But then the police came and they saw some like I was not the only one of course there. And he after a while when he thought like they बहुत जिद्दी हो रहे हैं and बहुत ज़्यादा अड़ रहे हैं, he called up in the thane and he said कि ladies constable को भेजो because as the girl and he can't like take me and push me into the jeep and take me to the thane, so he said ladies constable को भेजो and मेरी like literally I was like it was such a horrifying situation. Then the ladies police came and along with her their senior inspector also came. So he saw me and he said that you look like a nice girl, you seem to come from a very nice family. So just chuck everything out and you I don't know how to like give information without giving information. I don't know how to like put it into words, but we were saved. That's all I want to say. I was almost about to go to their thane, but something just happened and I got saved. So yeah, I almost got arrested. Fact number 3: I cannot sleep with lights off. I always have this fear कि मेरे साइड में कोई भूत खड़ा है or somebody is gonna like scare me or I'll get scared or somebody will eat me up. I always have this fear, so I cannot sleep with lights off. I always need light while sleeping. It can be like fairy lights, it can be like yellow lights, blue lights, or those like 0 watt bulbs. Or if not anything, if I do not find anything, I can even sleep with the tube light on. Yes, that's just me because I'm like too weird and I do get anxiety if I like if I get confined in such a dark place and I just get like anxiety attacks and those. Fact number 4 is I sleep on my stomach. Okay, if I'm like sleeping on my back, I get distracted with the little amount of things. But I'm a stomach sleeper, so I just like sleep like this on my stomach, and in a minute I'll fall asleep. So yeah, I'm a stomach sleeper. Fact number 5: I failed in my 12th standard. Yes, not like failed in my boards. That's not what I mean. But like those unit tests, then your terms, then again second unit tests, and then second terms, and then your pre boards and those pre boards. I failed in all of them in the subject physics. I just could not pass that subject for some reason. I don't know. I scored like 70 out of 100 in my boards in physics, which is the least score that I have in my board results. But I think maybe the teacher was like too impressed by me that she thought, okay, तुझे तो मैं pass ही नहीं करूँगी, because yeah, my physics teacher, she used to like just hate me for no reason, and likewise I also don't like you, not even now. Fact number 6 is that I love eating rice with hands. I don't like using spoons or forks while eating rice. So I love eating rice with my hands no matter where I am. It just tastes better. Yeah, so I love eating rice with my hands. Fact number 7 is that I did not enjoy my school life at all. There are some people who say that I really want to go back to my school life. I enjoyed my school life so much, but I never enjoyed my school life. I was bullied. I was put into mental torture by teachers and my own peers. So I never enjoyed my school life. Like I very vividly remember this one incident when I was in the eighth standard. So we had like a group of four. Like I had my other three girlfriends who like we used to go together in the recess and we used to like sit together and everything. So like it always used to happen that one fine day they'll just stand up just before the recess and they'll say that we don't want to go with you. I don't know the reason. They'll just randomly come up and they'll say आज हमें अकेले जाने का मन कर रहा है, so please don't come with us in the recess. And I just used to wonder like three people, how can three people together be alone? अकेले जाना है मतलब तुम अकेले और मैं भी अकेले. बट लाइक हाउ इज दैट इवन पॉसिबल कि मैं अकेले और तुम तीनों अकेले नहीं हुए ना फिर. सो yeah, this was one of those incidents. I used to make like excuses right before recess to not go downstairs. Like I used to say I got periods, I used to say I got my headache, I got stomach ache or something or the other. I used to say every day. Like how just students loved recess. I used to hate it because I used to go down sometimes alone, find a corner जहाँ पे मुझे कोई ना देखे, क्योंकि अगर कोई मुझे देख लेगा तो they'll think that she doesn't have friends, or you know, she's not a very famous kid, famous student. So I never enjoyed my school life. I was bullied very badly by my peers and my teachers as well. They used to just come up with random things which did not even make any sense to say to my parents in the parents teacher meeting. Like one time a teacher said that I'm so petrified of her that she faints in the assembly. Okay, so I have this thing, like I do tend to like faint in the scorching heat, and they said आप इसको कुछ खिला के नहीं भेजते, and that was so embarrassing and so rude to say to my parents like in front of me that वो मुझे कुछ खिला के नहीं भेजते. It is on me that I don't like eating anything in the morning. I don't drink milk. That doesn't mean my mother doesn't serve me milk. So there were a lot of these incidents in my school life that I did not enjoy my school life at all. I just like I wish like it never existed. I'm not even in contact with any of my school acquaintances because I don't even call them my friends. They are not my friends. They have never been my friends. So I'm happy like that, and they text me sometimes because they think like you know I'm doing good in my life. So which they never thought. They used to think like, oh, you failed in physics. What will you do in your life? My teachers used to say. I remember in 12th standard, my teacher said that तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होगा life में. And in 10th standard, my maths teacher used to call my father every other day, and he used to say इसका कुछ नहीं होगा life में, कुछ नहीं करेगी. And these things are like so bad to say, like you know, maybe a 16-year-old or a 14-year-old, like this impacts very badly on your mental health. So I did not enjoy my school life at all. Fact number 8 is that I'm overtly sensitive, like I cry on drop of a hat. Yes. If you just yell at me, or if you raise your voice in front of me or while talking to me, or you're just being rude to me, I'll start crying because I'm very sensitive to things. I'm very sensitive to people, to emotions, to things in general, that I just start crying because I think that's the easiest escape from things. I just don't come up with the counter arguments when somebody's arguing with me because I think that why would this person do this? Why would this person say this? I'm like very sensitive. So fact number 9 is that I have been clinically diagnosed with anxiety. It's been like over 2.5 years now that I am dealing with anxiety. My whole anxiety story video will come up sometime later because that's a whole story and I do not want my videos to be longer sharing my anxiety stories in like these kind of videos. So yeah, but the fact is that I have been clinically diagnosed with anxiety. Fact number 10 is that I overthink like a crazy person. I overthink about things that doesn't even need overthinking. Like I overthink so much that I always need something or the other playing in the background to just distract my mind so that I do not overthink. So even when I'm sleeping, I cannot sleep like just I can't have a sound sleep. Like everything is shut, quiet, silent, and I'm sleeping. No, I'm not like a sleep baby like that. I need something to be playing in the background, maybe Coffee with Karan or some interview or like Anupama Chopra, Rajiv Masand interviewing somebody. Something should be playing in the background so that I don't overthink. Yeah, I overthink a lot, like a lot. Even when I'm cooking, I need something to be playing in the background. And when I'm sleeping, when I'm taking a shower, when I'm doing my makeup, like every time, I can't have just a normal, silent like even a 10 minutes in my life. Fact number 11 is that I love watching interviews. Yes, this is like some other guilty pleasure, some other fun fact about me that for some reason I just love Coffee with Karan, like Karan interviewing other Bollywood celebrities. I love watching film companions YouTube videos. I love watching Rajiv Masand's YouTube videos, like they interviewing different Bollywood personalities. I just think like when I'll be there, I'll be speaking this way. Or like when Deepika Padukone is showing what's in her bag, I'll be like, when I'll be there showing what's in my bag with pink villas, I'll show all these things this way. So for some reason, I just love watching interviews. I just see myself in that situation, in that position, and it just makes me happy and fulfilling. And I do also get to learn a lot of things because people share their personal experiences, their professional experiences, and in general with experiences you do tend to learn a lot of things. Fact number 12 is that I have this weird habit of collecting chili flakes, oreganos, ketchups, and this Taco Bell little hot sauce sachets. Like I am very kleptomaniac like that. I just love stealing or collecting these chili flakes, oreganos, and ketchups. I have like a collection of all these things. I use them and then I refill them. I'll go to some other place like a Taco Bell and I'll just buy. I do not like necessarily steal or just like dig into their like ketchup cup dabba and just steal. I'll even buy because I just love collecting. Fact number 13 is that I love being on stage. So when I was in the school, I was so bullied, like I just mentioned in the seventh point. So after I passed my school and I was in college, I just discovered this new thing about me that for some reason I just love being on stage, like anchoring events, hosting events, and just being on stage performing things or just doing those acting gigs or just anything. Just being on stage is my thing. So I took part in all things possible in my college. I hosted, I anchored in freshers parties, I anchored in farewell parties, I anchored in college festivals, those annual festivals that used to happen. I even went on the stage to do the monologue, the acting gig. I did so much in my college life, and I do cherish my college life to the bits. As much as I hated my school life, I equally loved my college life. I think like both these things taught me a lot of things. Fact number 14 is that I have this weird habit of nail biting. Like if you can see, I have like these man hands and they're just like very weird. I tried stopping this some time back and I did grow my nails a bit, but because of the condition of my nails, they're like too flaky that they like break out so easily. But I have this weird habit of biting my nails. I need to just like stop that. Fact number 15 is that I hate coffee. Yes. Please don't hate me for that. I know a lot of you people love coffee, but coffee gives me anxiety. Even the smell of coffee gives me anxiety. I cannot stand at the same place where there's a coffee machine or cappuccino or somebody is having coffee. I just can't because it gives me anxiety and it just breaks and like just destroys my mental peace, or it just destroys my anxiousness level completely. So I hate coffee, the core to the max. Last fact about me is that I love grocery shopping. Yes, grocery stores like those Easy Days, Reliance, Fresh, all these grocery stores are like Forever 21 and H&M for me. I just love grocery shopping for some reason. I just find cute things and put them into my cart and just like, when you're just like walking those aisles, it's just very relaxing, very very satisfying. That's all I want to say about like my obsession with grocery shopping. With this last fact, we have reached the end of our video. Let me know how many of these facts you already knew about me. If you're my friend, if we talk, if you have been my friend, if you're from my school, college, or you have been my acquaintance. So all my contemporaries will know some of these things here and there about me. Let me know how many of these you got correct. You know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!